What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort again for yet another Jurassic Roller Coaster Project construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! Islands of Adventure! Yeah! We're here. Let's see how busy it is. Ticket windows over here, not busy. One's on the left, not being used. As far as turnstiles, one's on the right, not being used. One's on the left, are open. And there's no wait. Like usual, no wait, and we are on our way. The adventure begins again and again and again. I know we've been here a lot, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. All right, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 6. Hulk is at 40 minutes, 10 minutes for Spider-Man, 25 minutes for Kong, P-Flyers 5 minutes, 20 minutes for Forbidden Journey. You can see Poseidon's Fury at 45 minutes, Zeus Trolley 10 minutes, 5 minutes for the Carousel and the Cat in the Hat. Hogwarts Express, 30 minutes, 35 minutes for Popeye and Bluto's Jurassic Park River Adventure, 30 minutes, and Dudley Do Rights at 10 minutes. And hello again, Jurassic Roller Coaster Project. And yeah, I'm not seeing much different in the front area. That big crane is still gone, and from what we've heard, it might have had a little mechanical issue, so they're trying to either find a new one or find parts or something like that. That is not confirmed, but it's definitely not right here in the air. So we'll see if that top hat goes up eventually, if it's going to be a while. And for those of you wondering, the tower crane is a good distance away from that top hat, so there's no way they're going to be able to get track from there over onto it. Looks like the crane over here is still in the air. A couple days ago they were removing some piles, and they might be doing that again today as the big blue machine is sitting right on top of them. Duh, it's baby construction ducks. Just like what we said before, they are removing some of the piles. We can see this one coming out now. Out of the ground now. Piece of track going in. Looks like it's for an Airtime hill. is the track that was in the air just a couple seconds ago. They're about to fasten it to the supports and the rest of the layout right there. And check it out, more new track over here as they're about to complete a turn. Alright, so you see the support piece? Well, this is going to be one of the supports for theming. It's going to be going from the station into the first show building. We can see it going into place right now. Alright, so the entry into the building is right there through that opening, and of course you can see this new support going right outside of that. So that's going to lead from there back towards the station right over there. And we can see another one right here next to it already in place. Well, it looks like crews are starting to cover some of this track, and that leads me to believe that we're going to get a lot more rock work from right here leading up now very soon. As far as progress on this Airtime hill, it looks like they have one side in right now and they're waiting on the other one. And another one of those I-beam supports is in the air, going back over where we were a little bit ago, showing you from the station. After fighting this track piece for more than 45 minutes, it's in place and they're now putting bolts in. Construction fish, good to see you guys again. Well, we decided it's such a nice day, albeit very hot, that we're gonna ride Hagrid's. Again, we're doing the virtual queue. We were able to get it, no issue. And now we're in the queue. Man, does that air conditioning feel amazing in here though. Thank you, AC. It's not exactly busy right now. Yeah, this is nice. And we're still walking, no stopping. This is awesome. And here we are in the final room before boarding. So it's only been literally less than 5 minutes. And here we go. So a 5-minute wait for Hagrid, which normally has a 2-hour wait. I'll take that anytime.
Yes.
And guess what, folks? It's dueling again. Yeah. Gotta love that. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. And I am happy to say yet again, crews have placed about 5 to 8 pieces of track for the layout. And we now have a complete Airtime hill. A lot of other exciting stuff is going on around the site. And of course, we're going to have more updates for that. One other thing I did want to talk about, though, is yesterday we reported that there are massive layoffs going on for the Universal company, and apparently it's affecting the parks. Well, it was confirmed by the news later on, and I do want to say I am truly sorry to all of our friends that were affected by it. Of course, we wish you the best. We will have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.